Let me show you how to set up and manage and enable data on your Nokia 3210. So actually, when you set up your phone for the first time and insert your SIM card, you should already have your data working, and it should be working fine. However, what if it's still not working? There are some things we can do and troubleshoot basically. First, we can press this upper button and click on this power saving mode. Then make sure it's turned off. If it's on, you won't be able to connect to the 4G. Then click on this also in the same menu for GLT and make sure this is turned on. So, okay, I have turned off, as you see, it disappeared. So make sure it's obviously turned on for the 4G data to work. Then next thing, click your main button and navigate to your settings. Then click on the connectivity and make sure it's not in this airplane mode, so it won't be able to connect it if it's in that mode. Then also you can select your access points. If for some reason they don't appear here, you actually need to set them like manually basically. So you can click that and click edit or create a new access point, and you will need to ask your network operator for this. If you don't have this, they are not automatically updated here, you need to enter them manually here. But again, you need to ask your network operator or go to your network operator's website and search for access point names and settings, so, and set that up. Also, if you for example are using a SIM card from another country, make sure you have this data roaming enabled. For example, that's literally what I'm doing. So if I don't enable this, my data won't work. Then actually one of the most important things I forgot, it's this dual SIMs. Basically in the same connectivity tab, click dual SIM and then okay, scroll here, mobile data connection, and make sure this is enabled. Again, it should be enabled. Here, if you actually use two SIM cards, if you have inserted two SIM cards, it will actually, like, you need to select for which SIM card you actually want this data to be enabled. And I do have only one SIM card, but if you want, when you insert second SIM card, you need to select this preferred SIM card for your data, and obviously, yeah, and also make sure you have the data enabled here as well. Then also last thing, in the connectivity tab, again, dual SIM, click on that, click SIM settings, click on your SIM card which you have data access for you. And for example, if for some reason, again, you are roaming, basically you are using another country's SIM card, basically you need to like sometimes select your network manually. So if it doesn't work in one network, you can actually select another network that runs in the same region basically, so you're able to do that. But this again only if you are using SIM card from another country. Also at the top here you can see your 4G basically here, and if you have 4G, you also need to like have data as well enabled, so look for that signal. So these are various things you can check if your data is not working. But anyway, as I said previously, by default when you set this phone up, the 4G data already should be working. So yeah, anyway, if it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you.